From across the desert Southwest, this is 13 on your side.
Great evening outside as we just don't see a cloud in the sky. Now, it's a little harder to play the game where we try to find clouds in the sky. Usually that doesn't come till about June, one of our driest periods. However, we've seen so many in the sky the last several days, very unlike us, but actually that's very winter-like. Generally, 93% of the days are very sunny during the summertime and then 82% during the wintertime. So it's kind of our cloudiest time, but that's why we saw so much sunshine and warmth. 82 degrees for our high today in Yuma, as well as 81. So 80 spread across the board, little cooler up north. Speaking of Yuma, we'll look live at our tower cam to show you what's going on outdoors, and it is just about right. Now, we're still gaining some of that daylight, so it's nice to see that we can still see things on our tower cam at this time of night, and before we know it, it's going to continue to get warmer. So maybe we could use a little bit of that cool weather, but as far as future scan is concerned, we're not going to see any help the rest of the evening. So for tomorrow, we'll see 56 to start the day, 85 degrees at 4 p.m. with a northeast breeze at 5 to 10 miles per hour in Imperial Valley, as well as 51 in the start of the day. So very nice day, and light and variable breezes continue. Now, future scan shows that we're going to continue to see clear skies through our region Wednesday, Thursday, but look what's going on. Rain. Hard to believe, but we haven't seen any in a while, at least in the California region. We've seen most of our storms come up from the south, and they've really affected the Arizona and the Four Corners region, but haven't seen much of these Pacific typical systems that come from the wintertime. Will they affect us? We'll show you over the next 24 hours. Look at water vapor imagery and how it's been just flooding the area with a lot of moisture. Now, right now, it kind of looks like just one of those things that you decorate a cake with, but that is actually not frosting, of course. It is moisture, and it's showing that it's moving to the northern portions of California. And what this is going to do, this disturbance is eventually going to continue to pump moisture to the northwestern region. But why are we being left out of it? High pressure, and this is just going to continue to stay in control of our region, which makes it warmer for us. Look at this warm air on future pattern, and look where that moisture is just directly headed. Splits California just about in half, northern and southern California. So Fresno and areas northward are going to see rain, especially the more you go north. But look at LA, still dominated by that high pressure. So we're going to continue to stay under that, and it's going to blanket us with a lot of warm air. 85 to tomorrow, we'll see Thursday 86 and then 88 degrees. Very close to 90. I don't think we see it maybe at one time throughout the region, but it is just so warm throughout the area. You can think about getting the trunks back out. By Tuesday, 84, and it's really going to be more of a preference at this point, whether or not you want to turn your AC on or get in the pool. It depends on how warm that water is. Probably not very warm. Imperial Valley, the average high is 72, and we are at least 10 degrees above it every single day for the next 7 days. Now, it does look like in some of the long-range models we could see something that will resemble a winter for us by next week, but still very far out. But we can tell you for the next 7 days, lots of warmth, even warmer overnight. Stay with us. We'll be right back.